Yeah, so good evening. So now I'm about to present my C Sharp project, my Flashcard Quiz and Study app. So that's the name of my project. So this application is a command line interface CLI tool designed to help users study key concepts using interactive flashcards. It allows users to view existing cards, takes an interactive quiz with real-time scoring, and add custom flashcards that persist locally across sessions. I built this project to deepen my understanding of core C sharp language constructs and oriented what principle and file persistent mechanism in .NET. Now, this is where I'll put the video to my demo to my software stuff here, and the technology being used, the development environment being used are the language C Sharp in .NET 8.0 SDK. That is software development was toolkit. Then then the IDEs was the VS Code. I use my Visual Studio Code to develop this program application. The version I use version control are the Git and the GitHub. The website for the useful websites for learning and improving my skills are the Microsoft C Sharp documentation and the C sharp file slash I slash O documentation here. They are also here. All right. So that's my these are the what my readme.md files which will be deployed in my GitHub repository later on after this video. So I'm about to show you my project demonstration. This is my program.cs, my C sharp. This is my quiz. This is where the questions are coded into are stored, and this is where the results are stored. Result.txt. Okay, let me just close this one here. So let me run my program and show you. All right. So .NET. Let me list first so you can see this of my four files in the folder. So .NET clear. Mm, .NET space run. All right. All right. So the Flashcard Quiz app comprises of what? Four sections, five sections. The take quiz section, that's number one. Two is what view all flashcards. Three is what add a new flashcard, like you can add more questions to the application. Then view past results, quiz results, and five is what for exit. So yeah, let me just click on take a quiz here. So yeah, we can answer each question. What's the capital city of France? Paris. So yeah, correct. Imagine I put a wrong answer here. The capital city of Japan. Maybe I just put like Cairo now, for example, Cairo. So it's going to what? Wrong. The correct answer is what? Tokyo. Then it will move to what? Question three. Like that. So till I'm done with the whole question. Then if I want to see, okay, let me exit from here. Let me just run the .NET again. So if I want to see the what's it called? Um, if I want to see the answers to each, I can choose four to view past results four. So these are my past results here. 2026, 0 over 4, 1 over 4, 0 over 4, 24 over 41. So these are my past results here. You can view past results. Then you can also view all flashcards, which is number two. These are all flashcards. These are all the questions here. Then number three talks about add a new flashcard. Number three. So yeah, I can add questions to it. I can say how many days makes a year. Then the answer. 365 days. Yeah, day. Then I enter. I've added it to my what? My flashcard. So thank you. So that's all for my project.